Hi everyone, my name is Dayanand. I am from Nawada, Bihar. I had done Polytechnic from Electronic and Communications from Guntur Engineering College, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. And then I had done job in different field, but there are no any salary growth and there are no any secure my job. Then I got to know about Evision Technosoft through my friends, and then I have joined the 45 days of internship on Evision Technosoft, and then I got to know about CCNA, Windows, virtualization, basic networking, and Linux, Ubuntu, like this so many things. Then after completion of my internship, I got a job in Microland in Gurgaon location on a good package, and my package is 2.88 lakh per year. And I want to say especially thanks to Evision Technosoft, all employee and all teachers. They had support and cooperate with me, and they had teach me, uh, and thanks thank you so much to all Evision Technosoft employee and teacher. That's all.